Africans in diaspora. Now, if I offer to create a profitable import business for you, where you import items from Africa and sell in stores here all over the USA. Now, you're going to be able to do this without having to establish a factory or hire anyone back home. You are not going to need to set up complex warehousing and expensive logistics infrastructure, and you will not need to navigate the complex FDA rules and regulations. Now, will you take me up on that offer? You see, I have helped numerous African businesses grow to making over $60,000 a month in under 6 months. And by their 12th month, they are making over $100,000 a month selling their products all over the USA. Now, are you the next person? Now, click the link if you are tired of that 9-to-5 job. You want to build wealth for your children. You want to empower your family back home and retire at an early age with passive income. If that is you, click the link below. Let me help you.